Makes no difference if you have a huge screen or a little screen. You don't want to waste your screen with stuff that you don't need at the moment. You'll notice I'm in Chrome. I happen to be on a Mac, and I'm looking at my Gmail. And if you look at the screen, you'll see there's no Chrome menu and there's no Mac menu. And the reason being is I'm in full screen. However, if I move my cursor all the way up top, look, it brings up the Mac stuff, it brings up the Chrome stuff, and I can jump wherever I want to jump. When I move my cursor down, it goes back to full screen. Go back up top, go to any place I want to go to. I'm going to click on this document here, and I'm back to full screen, but I'm in a Google Doc. One more time, go back up top, click over here on my email, and I go back to full screen. I don't need that Chrome stuff and that Mac stuff until I need it. Furthermore, if you notice that I don't have my dock showing up. More on Mac, I have a dock. All the way to the bottom, there's the dock. All the stuff that I want to get to. And if I no longer get to it, I need to right click and go to options and I can remove from dock if I no longer need it. But most of that stuff down there I use on a regular basis. And it's down there when I'm ready to go get it. Additionally, most people have all of the Gmail folders and labels and mailboxes, etc. on the left. I don't have that. If I go all the way to the left, you'll see there's that icon right there, Show Main Menu. It brings that up. It takes up a pretty big piece, about 10% of the screen. When I don't need it, I just click on that right there and hide it. And so if I want that, all I got to do is anywhere I'm on the screen, I just go over to the left anyway because I got to go to the left to get it, hover over mail, come over, click compose, click whatever, go to whatever mailbox I want to go to, whatever label I want to go to, and manage it. And when I want to go back to my inbox, just go back over here and click on inbox. I got to move my cursor over there anyway, let the screen bring it up. And one more piece about Gmail and Chrome is I have some tools over here. Show the side panel. Well, I don't need these on a regular basis, so I hide them. Make your screen work for you. Hide the stuff you don't need to get to until you need to get to it because you got to move your cursor anyway. So move your cursor over and get it and then use it when you need to use it and hide it when you no longer need it. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about Google Workspace and Gmail. Hope this is helpful for you.